Page 49, the Mellow Rock. This is about the opposite of what was on the previous page. Style-wise, this is a little slower, and it's more legato. It's got some staccatos in it, but this melody-wise here, it's all connected, all legato. And then you have some contrast to that, some staccatos that are going on the left hand. It's really kind of neat how it works. 4/4 time or common time. Again, D major. You got to watch out for the C's and the F's. But I see in the first measure they're introducing the C natural, so we're okay there. And that natural applies to all the C's now from that point on. And you cross over in the second measure to get the second finger on the F sharp. You do it again and you do it again. The third measure down. You're down here, staccato. Accent that's a syncopated thing, and we typically will accent syncopated things. What you want to hear is this type thing, but they tie it together and that throws it off. That makes it syncopated. That makes it accented. Kind of neat. You get it again in the last line down. Plenty of accidentals. There's F naturals there in the third line, the last two measures. Look out for those. And that's about it for the right hand. You're going to move around a little bit. It shouldn't be a problem because you got rests to give you time to move around. And the left hand, you got the chords going on. Second measure is staccato, wrist staccato. You just leave your hand in that position and you can go from the C chord to the D chord real easy. You just got to get that black note in there. Third line down, staccato. It's the same rhythm and articulation as the right hand, so it's here. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like so. Then the third measure over the third line, you got to come up to the G chord. I said G chord, I did. Etc. That's about it for the left hand. Once again, they're showing a pedal in the last measure. I disagree with it. I see no point in it. I'm going to leave it out. It's here. I like to hear that rest. Rest. And then they all come up at the same time. Let's try this out slowly to check the notes and the rhythm. It's got some tricky spots in it. So the right hand is here. Left hand's here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and. 1, and 2, and. Two, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 1, 2. One, 2, 3.